If you are struggling to streamline your order process, then this tutorial is for you. Today we're going to take a look at sales orders in SYSPRO. This tutorial will include the following: the difference between the sales order entry and the sales order entry express program, order status flow, defining the next order number, adding a sales order in the Sales Order Entry Express program, and lastly, adding a non-stocked, miscellaneous, and freight line. Welcome to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, we're going to take a look at order processing in SYSPRO. Now let's get started. The Sales Order Entry program is comprehensive and detailed. It is suitable for more complex orders that require customization and careful management. The Sales Order Entry Express module is simplified. It prioritizes speed and efficiency for quick input. Now let's take a look at the order status flow. When an order is first entered, it is created as an open order and given a status of 1. After printing a delivery note for the order, its status changes to 4, indicating that it's now in the warehouse. To move the order to the invoicing stage, use the Change Status function. This updates the order status to 8. Once the invoice is printed, the status is updated to 9, marking it as complete. I hope you find this video informative. Please be sure to subscribe, like, and share this video. Now let's continue with the tutorial. So we're going to start by going to the SYSPRO ribbon bar, and we're going to go to Setup, and we're going to go to Setup Options. And we're just going to make this bigger. Okay. And we're going to go to Keys. And we're going to go to Distribution Sales Management. I'm just going to ignore this error for now. Again. Okay. And we're going to scroll all the way to Sales Orders. And we're going to come to Next Sales Order. Okay, and we're going to then put in the next sales order number. Okay, 3, and we're going to tap off. And now we're going to enter the next credit note. Okay, and we're going to tap off to the next one, which is going to be the next debit note. And I'm going to then click on Save and Exit. The important thing to know about changing your setups is that you have to exit SYSPRO for the setups to be changed in the system. And that is how you define your next order number. So we're going to start by going to Sales Orders, and we're going to go to Sales Order Processing, and we're going to select Sales Order Entry Express. Okay. And we're going to make this bigger. So we're going to start by first defining our order. So our order type is going to be order. And we're going to then come to the customer to enter our customer code, and we're going to tap off. And we're going to come all the way to the customer purchase order to enter the purchase order number. And we're going to now add order lines. So we're going to just click here. And as you can see, it's written stop. So we're going to leave it at stop. And we're going to then enter the stock code. So 8100, and I'm going to tap off. Okay, the description is populated on the screen. I'm going to enter the quantity. Okay, and then we're going to click save. Okay, and we're just going to say confirm. And there is our order number. And we're going to then close the program. And that is how you add a sales order in the Sales Order Entry Express program. We're going to start by going to Sales Orders, and we're going to go to Sales Order Processing, and we're going to go to Sales Order Entry Express. Okay, we're just going to make this bigger. So here on type, we're going to choose order. And here on customer, we're going to enter the customer code and we're going to tap off. We're going to go all the way to the customer purchase order and we're going to enter the purchase order, customer, and we're going to tap off. In last week's tutorial, we added an order type to the system. So this is where you would enter it when you are entering an order. So we're going to click on the magnifying glass. So this is the one we created in the last tutorial. So we're going to select that. And there we go, and tap off. So now again, we're going to add order lines. So we're going to click here. And as you can see, stocked warehouse, and we're going to now enter the stock code. Okay, and we're going to tap off. The description will populate and we're going to enter the quantity. And we're going to tap off all the way to the next line. So the next line that we're going to enter is a non-stocked item. And we're going to tap off to enter the description of this non-stocked. So we're going to say this is a height, weight adjustment, okay, and we're going to tap off and describe custom height and weight adjustment, and we're going to tap off, and the quantity we're going to enter 1, we're going to tap off, okay, tap off all the way to the product class, okay, and here we're going to scroll or browse for a product class and we're going to select, okay, and we're going to then enter the text code, select, okay, and we're going to come to the next order line. So this next order line is going to be the freight line. So we're going to select it there. We're going to enter the amount, which is $15, and the cost, we're going to say it's $8. And we're going to then accept. And we're going to tap all the way to the next order line. And this line is going to be the miscellaneous line. And again, we're going to enter the description. So we're going to say bubble wrap. Okay, tap to the amount. We're going to enter $8. We're going to then tap to the cost and enter 5. And we're going to then accept. And we're going to then save this order. And we're going to say yes. Confirm. And then this becomes your sales order number. We're going to close the program. And that is how you enter a non-stocked, freight, and a miscellaneous line to an order. We have reached the end of today's tutorial. Please be sure to subscribe, like, comment which videos you'd like to see next, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of our uploads. Do connect with us on LinkedIn. The link is in the description below. Thank you for watching this video.